guys, welcome back to Handmade with me, Marianne, and, well, everybody. We have been working hard all week creating amazing holiday DIYs for you, and today we are showing you 13 of our favorite holiday decorating tips that you maybe haven't thought of before. So I'm gonna get back there and help decorate the tree, and I think we'll kick things off with number one.
So we used our dining table as part of our decor.
Instead of just for one meal, set a pretty table you can enjoy all season long.
And since greenery is inexpensive and it lasts for weeks, it also makes a great table runner.
We added cute DIY napkin rings and a few festive touches.
If you don't have space for a full Christmas tree, you can always display your ornaments on evergreen branches that you've put in a vase. Plus, sometimes you can get these branches for free at a Christmas tree farm.
Don't feel like all your stockings have to match. Just stay in the same color family for an eclectic and personalized style.
So here's a tip on how you can create this amazing faux and real garland out of eucalyptus. I just took a piece of long faux eucalyptus and wove in real eucalyptus using zip ties. You got a little bit of tone-on-tone color variation. I think it looks great.
And you can use the faux eucalyptus over and over, which will save you money in the long run.
If you're worried about your pets or your roommates
For your kids.
running into your Christmas tree and knocking off all of your ornaments, try wrapping the wire ornament hanger around the branch to keep your most breakable ornaments in place so they don't fall down.
So when I'm decorating for the holidays, something I like to do is take down some of my everyday artwork and replace it with holiday artwork. That way I don't have to put a new hole in the wall, which my husband also appreciates.
It's Christmas, more is more. Why have one tree when you can have all the trees?
Yes, having multiple trees can give you a nice layered look, and it gives you more real estate for your favorite ornaments.
So if you're like me and like to put your wrapped gifts under the tree ahead of time, but maybe you have some nosy little children around, try a number system on the bottom instead of a gift tag. Just write the number, pop them under the tree, and most importantly, keep a key. I like to keep mine in my phone away from prying eyes. And then come Christmas Eve, all I have to do is pop a gift tag on.
Don't limit yourself to just hanging wreaths on doors.
Use removable hooks to hang them on your windows, mirrors, even your artwork to spread holiday cheer throughout your entire home.
When fall is over, I like to pop those old, sad, tired mums out and fill the planter with greenery and a few ornaments. Boom, your porch is decorated. And you know what? Presents are too pretty to only have them under the tree. I like to decorate with them. You can pile them up in a quiet corner or put them right here on the porch.
And these bulk gifts look great on a tray.
It's looking so good. Well, guys, I hope you have enjoyed our 13 unexpected holiday decorating tips. I want to know which one was your favorite. Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. And you can catch all of our Very Handmade Holiday videos in the playlist below. We'll see you next time, and guys, happy holidays!
Happy holidays!